Hello all, this is Vinay Kumar, Faculty of Sociology at Sarat Chandra IAS Academy. So, those students who have given prelims, and as you know, the gap between prelims and mains is 85 days and already 5 days have been passed. If you are waiting for UPSC prelims result and after the results, if you are thinking of starting preparation for mains, that is going to be the major blunder in your preparation. So, we at Sarat Chandra IAS Academy are launching rapid mains revision program for sociology. In this program, there will be test series. In this program, there will be classes. I will revise the entire sociology syllabus in 28 classes, and also we are providing personal mentorship. So all the students who have scored more than 75 in general studies, you have to start preparing for mains. If you wait for results and if you start preparation, that is going to be a big mistake. So I wish that you start preparation and you excel in this preparation. And if you join with me in this journey, I will make sure that you cross 300 marks. I know that it is difficult to cover entire sociology syllabus in this short span of time. That is the reason why I have devised these classes in such a way that in a short span of time, you will cover entire classes. We will be providing value added materials. We will be providing you mind maps with respect to sociology syllabus. So in last minute revision, these mind maps are going to be key help, and we will be providing you the flowcharts and diagrams relevant to sociology optional, and we will be providing you very much curated introductions and conclusions for the most repeated questions. And I will try to give you comparing the contemporary trends of this examination. We will prepare you for the worst case scenario. What type of questions UPSC is going to ask. So we will make sure by these classes, we will predict the UPSC mains examination in before. So when you are writing UPSC mains questions, I will make sure by my classes, those questions you are writing in mains UPSC sociology questions, that at least once you have written before. So I know that from December you stopped preparing for sociology optional. So we will cover those entire syllabus in the limited time and we will excel in this examination. So if you want to use this brilliant opportunity, we have given you the details, and this batch is starting from June 4th. Okay, from June 4th, every day you will have regular classes, you will have discussion sessions, you will have mentorship session. This program is designed to have an hand-holding approach for the prelims qualified students. Thank you. I wish you all the best.